What is up, YouTube? Mark Cakes coming at you with another video. I just had to make this quick. This is the best shoe. It's the best shoe of the year. I'm calling it. Okay, I'm not calling it, but it's the best shoe of the year. And we just gonna have to have this conversation because I know how people feel. But Foam Runner, sheesh. This shoe, this is my favorite thing. I don't know what makes me like it more. I think it's just the fact that it looks so crazy and such like you wear this if you're like going to Mars or you're going to the moon. I just love this. I just love this thing. It is the greatest thing. I don't know, man. I really don't have any thoughts. I just wanted to put it on video that I really love this shoe. It is very comfortable. Let me see. It is very comfortable. It is about true to size. I'm a size 12. These are a size 12. Fits really nice. They are comfortable. They look weird on foot. What more can I say? I think you wear them with socks. I'm not too sure. But like, if I go to the beach at some point this summer, I will have these on barefoot. And I will wear them barefoot. Yup. I got them on barefoot right now. Yup. I like it. I just really like this shoe. It's versatile. You gonna see me rocking it everywhere. It's gonna be in the rain, snow, sleet. Just know. And this might be one of those, like, I might have to cop every pair. I might have to go on a search and cop every single pair of these, because it's just a really dumb, bad, terrible, weird Kanye shoe. And we'll take it. That's all I gotta say. Foam Runner. It's one of my favorites. It might be one of my favorites because it's so weird. And it's just weird. And people look at my shoe. It's kind of why I like the What The collection so bad with Nike. Because everybody's like, well, what do you have on? And I'm like, yeah, it's like that. So yeah. Head turners, we up. Stay tuned, man. Mark Cakes. I don't know if a vlog is coming, but go check some of the previous vlogs. You know we do.